Language. Out. 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 You look so Down syndrome. Go on. Out. Out. Go on. Shove it right up your fucking arse. Get it? Yeah. Stinky breath. Go on. Go on. Bite my head. Go on, you want to. Go on, bite my head. The crocodile. You stink. You don't even look nice close up. No, you don't.
Good job he can't speak, isn't it?
Yeah, because you don't look that pretty either. You're going to bite me. You're going to bite me.
Go on, Charlie, kill him. Kill.
I don't think there's any other dog I'd ever do that with.
No.